Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about why broad matches beat exact matches on Amazon. Let's get into it. When it comes to Amazon PPC, one of the most common assumptions is that exact match keywords always perform better because they offer tighter targeting. But in reality, broad match keywords, when used properly, can often outperform exact match ones, and in this video we're going to explore exactly why that happens. Imagine two scenarios. In the first, you're running 10 exact match keywords, and each one gets you a single conversion per month. In the second, you're running just one broad match keyword that gives you 10 conversions in that same month. Now, both bring in the same number of orders, but from a management and performance perspective, they behave very differently. Exact match keywords tend to create unpredictable performance. One month a keyword might convert, the next month it won't. This inconsistency makes it difficult to know whether to keep spending on it, reduce the bid, or pause it entirely. Broad match keywords, on the other hand, generate more consistent data because they cast a wider net. If that one keyword is getting you a conversion every 3 days, then it becomes far easier to analyze and optimize. You're not dealing with long, dry spells or confusing metrics. You know what to expect, and that reliability is key when it comes to making smarter budget decisions. The real power of broad match, though, lies in how it's managed. Running broad keywords without any filters won't help much, but combining broad match with strong negative keyword targeting can transform the campaign into a refined, high-performing asset. This is exactly what top-performing accounts are doing. They start with broad, monitor the search terms, and cut out what doesn't work. Over time, the campaign becomes more focused and cost-effective. There's a strong relationship here with what's known as the ACOS power ratio. If you're running 10 exact match keywords and they each only get a few clicks a month, you don't have enough data to make informed decisions. You're essentially flying blind. But when all that spend is focused into a few well-managed broad match keywords, you accumulate much more actionable data. That allows for quicker optimization and more control over ACOS. This ties into the idea of segmentation as well. Some advertisers over-segment by creating single keyword campaigns for everything. But what ends up happening is you spread your data too thin. You'll get stuck with campaigns that have just a few clicks and no conversions, which only adds noise to your reports. High-performing accounts take a more balanced approach. They don't over-segment and they don't under-segment. They build structures that allow keywords to get enough volume to produce meaningful, predictable results. The time element also plays a big role here. With exact match, it might take weeks before you even get a conversion. That delay creates uncertainty. With broad match, because it captures a wider range of search terms, you get feedback faster. More data in less time means better optimization and faster growth. Think of it like this. With broad match, you're casting a wide net, but using negative keywords to shape it into a perfect fit. It's not about being less targeted. It's about starting with range and focusing over time, whereas with exact match, you might be hyper-targeted from the start, but if it's not the right keyword, you'll waste valuable time and budget before realizing it. And interestingly, even accounts that rely heavily on automatic campaigns can perform really well, as long as they're controlling them effectively with negatives. It's all about managing that breadth of targeting. One of the most successful patterns seen is campaigns with a high percentage of auto-targeting that still performed exceptionally well because of tight negative keyword control. So, the takeaway here is clear. Broad match keywords, when managed correctly, not only deliver results, but they also simplify campaign optimization. They reduce the number of moving parts, allow for faster learning, and ultimately help you scale in a more structured and data-driven way. The key is to start broad, refine aggressively with negatives, and build toward consistent, predictable performance. Thanks for watching. Make sure to apply this strategy in your next campaign setup and experience the difference firsthand. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.